Okay, so problem 3, I really liked this problem because for me it seemed more like a real life problem and not so much like a math problem. Understanding that the two often coincide in life anyway, but I really liked this one because it was more about what I wanted to do and not so much about a right answer. So, assuming that I would be in this situation, I have a few questions to start off with. Is my ticket exchangeable? If I'm going to wait around for 2 weeks, it better be viable to get on the next cruise ship that's working out. I would need a babysitter for that long. There's a lot of things that I would need in order for either possibility to even work. And is airfare a part of the package? So I'm going to assume that the airfare to New York for the departing cruise is covered, that tickets are exchangeable, and that the sitter or the baby comes with me. All of that is that's null and void. I could figure something out either way. So, I'm actually in South Korea, but as I explain here, that's not even going to be a question. If I miss my cruise ship, I'm just going back. The time change is just not even worth it. So I'm going to assume that I'm in Michigan right now, and so getting a ticket, I would need a round-trip ticket to go. If I decide to go home, I need a round-trip ticket to go back to Michigan, then to New York. So let's say I'm stuck in New York because my cruise ship has already left without me. So a ticket, the cheapest one is about $300. As you can see, I went on Travelocity.com, tried to find a nice cheap ticket to get me to Michigan and then back on the day that I need to come back. The ticket to go back after the cruise is about $175, so the cost of this option would be $461, give or take. To stay in a cheap hotel near the airport for 2 weeks, just waiting for my cruise to get back, $77 per night, but that's not including how much I would need to eat, how much I would need if the baby is with me for diapers and everything. So it's most cost effective for me to go home and to return when the cruise ship departs again. I would have the comforts of my own home. I would stay, within my budget for food and all the other stuff that you would need to just live. I mean, it would be good to do the tourist route, but I'm going off of dollars and cents here, and obviously it's much more cost effective just to go home. Even if I did have a job, I wouldn't have to use that many vacation days. I would have to work a little bit longer. So that's why I kind of like this problem. It was mostly about common sense to me and less about what equation can I use to solve this.